This is Campbell Creek in Mecklenburg County, North Carolina. And that is what's left of the old Lucas grist mill, and there was a sawmill here too that predates the Civil War. And there's the old wheel right there. And there's the water chute right there. And it's protected now. It's got a fence around it, thank goodness. I love finding old stuff like this. Then you got to hike in here to it. There's my companion. I wish I can get over there without getting wet. Maybe. That's something to see right there. That old stonework. This is the second one I went and found today. The other one was in Spartanburg County on Peters Creek. But how did they get the water in here? Unless they had a dam or something, because the water had to come from up there to spin that wheel, the turbine. Awesome. Beautiful. That wheel is not attached. It's leaning over, but you can see the chute on top where the water will come over. You come here, you see it. Yeah, but I'm standing closer now. I love old places like this. Look at that stonework. That's good stonework. Flat, smooth. I just don't know how they got the water up there. Unless there's another body of water up there. Unless they had a big dam in here somewhere. There's not a whole lot of information online about this place. I have to do some more research. The old Lucas family grist and sawmill. Mecklenburg County on Campbell Creek.